Imagine waking up 6 months from now as a completely transformed version of yourself physically, mentally, and financially. What if I told you that all it takes is 5 simple steps? No fluff, no gimmicks, just real, actionable changes. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set crystal clear goals. Most people fail because they don't have a clear destination. You need specific, measurable goals. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, say, I want to make $10,000 a month by September. Break your goal into small, achievable steps and track your progress daily. Step 2. Build uncheckable discipline. Motivation fades, but discipline keeps you going. Create a daily routine that aligns with your goals. Set non-negotiable habits. Wake up early, exercise, read, and work towards your dream. Success isn't about big leaps, it's about small, consistent actions. Step 3. Upgrade your knowledge and skills. You don't get paid for time, you get paid for the value you bring. Dedicate at least 1 hour a day to learning. Read books, take online courses, and surround yourself with people who are ahead of you. Growth is the ultimate success hack. Step 4. Master your mindset. Your mind controls your reality. Stop doubting yourself. Stop letting negativity hold you back. Reprogram your mind with affirmations, visualization, and gratitude. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. Step 5. Take massive action every day. All the planning in the world is useless without action. Take risks, step out of your comfort zone, and execute relentlessly. Failures, they're just lessons. If you work every single day without excuses, your success is inevitable. In just 6 months, you can become a completely different person. But the question is, will you take the first step today? If you're serious about transforming your life, start now. Your future self is waiting. Like this video, subscribe, and comment. I'm ready if you're committed to changing your life.